Today, I'll show you exactly how pizza is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
And they do precise measurements ensure perfect dough texture. Every pizza is carefully assembled to ensure consistent flavor and quality. Every pizza is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how pizza is made from start to finish.